I got one
sure.
for him at the hotel.
Cool.
I'm a major fan, man. Give me a shake.
Cool.
Yep.
Hi, Jolene.
Hi.
Great,
How are
this
you?
is great.
Nice
Just
to meet you.
fantastic.
Now, where would you get a shifter and handle like that now?
I bought that. I was at a custom show in Michigan about 15 years ago, and I bought it, and it's the only one I've ever seen, and everybody that sees it
Says the same thing.
wants to have one no matter what, and I
Yeah, it's cool.
can't find it. I never found it. Okay, you gotta get me out of here.
Yeah, this
I'm Roger, by the way.
Roger
is
that.
Roger Martin.
Yeah.
How you doing, Martin?
This is Brandon's dad. You were talking with Brandon about for the show.
I don't
Setting
know
up.
whether he talked to Brandon.
Oh no.
He probably talking to
Actually, Brandon's been to your place
yeah, years ago.
Yeah,
Brandon,
years
Brandon was
ago.
at your shop.
before you were on TV.
He's a
I
friend,
think,
he's a friend of I forget the guy who
showed up in a 47.
Steve
Guys,
Vogel,
yeah.
maybe?
Steve,
Yes.
friend of Steve.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
yep.
He bought a car off him, I think.
Yes.
Yeah.
I know. I wouldn't know him to see him. Well, I might.
Yeah. Oh, you'd
Yeah.
know Brandon. You might
Yeah.
remember Brandon. He's big and deep voice and
Yeah.
Yeah.
They showed up.
one of those guys that you don't forget, right?
They had a hot rod. They drove it all the way down,
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah. They did.
Right, yeah. Yeah. Well, this is better than dang it, having you guys in the back of my car.
Cooler than dang it. What?
I'm a major fan, man.
Cooler than dang it.
My wife doesn't.
Dang
she
it,
knows.
squirt.
She knows that no food in the house after 5.
Airport,
5
we'll
to
go to the
6.
right, Roger. To the
the
right.
right?
Yeah, you're good.
Okay.
This thing rides nice.
I'm lost here now.
Yeah, it's okay over again if you want. Yeah. You're going to the hotel, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
I don't know a hotel from a motel, so you take me wherever you need to be, I guess.
One's tall and one's long and slim.
Hold my door here.
How long have you owned this car?
20 years now.
Oh, wow.
21. Yeah. I bought it to flip it. I was driving a '69 Caddy, and I put it on Kijiji for $4,500. And the guy, and the guy wanted to trade me. Cool. And so this thing was all in pieces. It had been painted, and all the chrome was done. It was all wrapped up in paper. Engine was rebuilt, tranny was rebuilt. It was all laying in his garage. So I traded him. I dragged it all home. By the time I got it back together, I said, "This car's too good. I can't sell this car." And that's 20 years ago. So
There you go.
it's all stock except for disc brakes, later model steering box, 4-barrel carb on the old Caddy 331. That's it. She's been down to Nova Scotia about 3 times. Yeah.
Wow.
So it's got the original drivetrain in it.
Oh, I got original drivetrain.
Wow.
Yeah.
Cool's nice for,
Yeah.
sounds good.
Why would I change it?
No, why would you?
That's right. Exactly.
Like the chance is, use what you got.
That's right. Exactly. See? I was taking a page out of your book before you got on TV there, man.
There you go. Maybe
said-
that's why we relate.
I said, I wish Chad had been around about 20 years ago when I could start building my cars that way.
Okay, we gotta get on the airport road.
Where are we now?
Yeah, we're gonna have to take a left up here. Their hotel's right just over there. So,
Is that cold on you?
is that,
Jolie,
yeah, the
you want
window,
the
having
window
the
up?
window open?
Yeah, no, we're good. I'm good.
That was nice,
Yeah.
actually.
Okay.
Yeah, we're
Fresh air.
stuffed in that
Yeah.
paraffin budgie.
Yeah.
There you go.
I think you're getting us lost, Martin.
No, we're just cruising, man.
Yeah. Yeah, this is a ring road around the airport, but maybe it didn't give us directions to go airport road back there at those lights to turn left. But we can turn left at these lights, go under the highway, and then come back down the other side by, just go left here. Don't panic, Roger.
Okay.
We're all good.
Yeah, you get 2 people in the back don't know shit, so we're doing good.
We're
Right?
halfway there.
Yeah.
You gotta take one more picture when we get out of the car.
Yeah, oh yeah, I will.
Okay.
Will you be at the show this weekend?
Yes, I will. I'll be there all day tomorrow. Yeah. Both my sons are there, and my grandson's got a car in there, and yeah.
Right on.
So
Yeah, our car club.
yeah, I got to figure out how I want to get I got my bad Chad
I've seen that. That's
Cadillac
awesome.
shirt on here.
Very nice.
But I want to get a. How come there's no Chad and Jolene shirt on the website?
There is now.
Oh, there is now.
Yep.
Oh, okay. Because my wife is looking for it. So what we got to do is we got to figure out how I get a T-shirt tomorrow without standing in line for an hour.
You say, hey,
Hint,
Chad, I
hint,
want a
nudge,
shirt.
nudge, wink, wink.
Yeah.
Yeah, nudge, quick.
We'll hook you up.
You heard it from the boss. We'll hook you up.
Yeah.
There you go.
So it doesn't too obvious. I'll get an empty paper bag and say, "Here, Jolene, this is the
Yeah.
stuff you wanted."
Yeah, there you go. People around home would think they knew what was in the paper bag.
We're gonna go left again.
Okay, this is Carlingview.
Yeah.
Okay,
I'm
it's not
not-
Airport Road.
No, we gotta go back down to Airport Road.
Okay, all right.
I don't live in the shitty.
You know where you're going.
No.
No, neither me. I live in Stouffville. It's not and you live in the country too, so you know. This city driving, I'd go nuts
No.
if I lived down here.
Oh my god.
Nobody knows how to drive but me.
That's the way it goes, eh?
So you had all your merch shipped, did you?
We got it ordered locally in Toronto.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
We brought the hats from home
Did we do any work on the floor today or what?
though.
I did the inside sill.
Okay, I'll watch that tonight.
I did the inside sill to
Alright,
put
good.
that on. And basically, I just,
Yeah.
we do it every day, so we try to save something every day.
Yeah, oh yeah, I never missed. Man, I've got all 500 issues, man.
Oh wow.
I was there. Yeah. Yeah.
Well, thanks for taking your time, because it is a bunch of time to watch, you know. An hour a day.
I love it.
Cool.
Where we go? Am I getting over? or
Now
staying here?
we're gonna turn right on Airport Road.
Okay.
I don't know which one. I think this one might be Airport Road. I'm not sure. Maybe not. I believe not.
I think you're funning us.
This is Dixon.
I don't think you know where we're going. This is Dixon Road.
Yeah.
Okay.
I would say this is a turn right here.
Turn right here.
Yeah, it's not called Airport Road down this end.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Have faith. Have faith.
Yes.
Yeah, have faith.
That's right. What's the name of your hotel? Just to confirm?
Crown Plaza.
Crown Plaza? Okay. It's up here on the left, Roger. That's it, stuck in behind this building here.
We just acquired a 51 Oldsmobile.
Oh,
50 Oldsmobile?
Yeah, 51.
The red one?
Yeah,
Oh, you got it, did you?
we did. And
All right.
this, we haven't been to drive it much.
Oh, let's see. Yeah, go left here.
I had one. I had a 51 Olds 4-door.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I'm impressed how this one runs for the original drivetrain.
Good cars. Good cars. Yeah. Got the single grill bar in it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm hoping it runs as good as this.
Yeah. Yeah.
What
No,
number car is this for you, Roger? 52, 53?
No,
We're gonna
I've-
go right at this street here.
I've had 265 cars.
Are you serious?
Wow.
Right.
Well done, Roger. Well done.
There we are, straight ahead.
Crown
And
Plaza.
well done on your part. You
Yeah, got that,
you know what
eh?
you're talking
Oh,
about,
yeah.
huh?
I didn't have any faith, see?
You didn't have the faith on you. You showed him though, didn't you?
Yeah, I know. Don't judge a book by its cover.
Yeah, right.
Isn't that the
He's
truth?
got a nice
Oh, yeah,
50
that
Buick.
is.
You're going to see it tomorrow.
Okay, so we can pull in here to the right.
Through the gate.
Yeah.
Are you gonna be showing your car?
Yeah,
Okay,
our
cool.
club's in the Lead Kings.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
So how do I? Oh, okay.
Yeah, just I don't think you have to
Take a
take
ticket?
it. Yeah.
You gotta take a
I like a 50. That's gonna be
Yeah,
Take a
she's sweet.
ticket
Yeah.
To get in. And then we
what
gotta-
color?
White.
And I like
well,
white.
it's like a off-white.
Yeah, and I like white. I'm a simple color kind of guy. I don't need big colors. I don't need it. but you know, I like them, but I
Yeah.
don't need it.
We're not in any luck here.
No?
I heard people get run over.
Oh, you got a ticket coming there.
Eh?
You got something breathing out at you. See that little tongue sticker? Wherever. See that thing at the play button there?
Yeah, it's on it. Oh,
That's it.
A little ticket is sticking out there. Right on. Beautiful.
Where's
Yeah.
the ticket? I did. Oh, there it is. I got it now. There we go.
Everybody wants them lazy headlights. You know what I mean? You got the like lazy.
Yeah,
eye
that's a
on you.
53 Buick headlights in
Yeah.
that. And the 53
How we get
Buick
out of here? How we get
taillights.
out of here?
We stick that thing back in and then we pay the piper. So just pull up out front here. I'll get a picture with you and the gang and pull up right here. We're sitting
many
on this
people in
side.
your-
We got the caddy in the background, right in the middle.
How many
Yeah,
people in
right
your
there.
in your club?
21 of us.
Good amount.
Yeah,
Any
yeah.
more than that?
No, that gets too confusing and
Oh,
too
boy.
fucky, right?
Yeah, you got that right. Which door?
Just ticket here.
Check things in.
Exit stage left.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, we leave the suitcase on
It is windy.
Get up there.
Get a picture of Roger,
because of the sun.
our newfound friend.
There we go.
You ready? Right on.
Take it again. I want to make sure.
I got 3.
All right. Okay.
We'll see you again.
We'll see you in the morning. Yeah. Yeah. I got my check.
You got a lift to the, yeah, for sure.
They're gonna. I guess somebody's
Yeah.
gonna get more. Are
You
they?
got a lift there tomorrow?
I
They
don't-
don't have a shuttle here.
We have no idea.
No?
No
Okay.
idea.
We're all coming back here tonight.